name's Richard Wagg and I work for Motward Ltd, Alconbury. As a company we run 3 version 4 FHs, FH500, FH540 and a 750. We also still have the very first version 1 that the company bought, and hopefully in the near future that's going to be getting restored. A few little modifications, make it our own. It's done for 40th anniversary, artwork to represent over the 40 years of the company, and then a few extra additions, a few little extra ones to come as well, just to finish her off nicely. It's yeah, awesome machine.